What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to try a very new recipe, so stay tuned and watch till the end. So first we are going to slice the pumpkin into half and then slice again into quarters. So once we're done cutting, now we are going to remove the seeds. Set aside, as these seeds you can use them for garnishing your soup, pumpkin soup. And then let's now remove the skin. Some people prefer cooking with the skin, but for today we are going to remove the skin. So we are done with removing the skin. This is how the pumpkin is looking like. Now we're going to cut it into half. And then cut into other 3 pieces. So we are done cutting. Now we're going to wash and then put into a larger mixing bowl. This is the ideal size and shape. Now let's put into a larger mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger, black pepper, cumin powder, chili, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then mix. So let the spices mix with the pumpkin. Just make sure every piece of the pumpkin has met with the spices. So now it is well mixed, as you can see. Now we are going to lay them on our baking tray, which we had oiled earlier. As we lay them down on our baking tray, meanwhile preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then bake for 20 minutes. So they're already in the oven. This is the progress, they're ready already. Now let's serve. Let's give them a taste. This is how they look, very crispy from the outside. So if you like this kind of videos, just comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. So at this point you can eat with some plain yogurt and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.